What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another gardening video. Y'all, I got an outfit. Okay, I got my little garden outfit. It ain't much, just a little something something. I know I'm gonna get dirty. Let me show y'all real quick. Yeah, I just went to like the men's section in Walmart and found some cargo shorts, and just got the little $5 t-shirts. So I got this one, and I got a pink one, of course, and I'll probably get maybe 2 more. I need to get another pair of shorts too, because I can't keep wearing the same shorts every day. But yeah, just a little something I just figured I'd share. And the boots I got off Amazon, I thought they were super cute, and I definitely need them after all this rain we had out here in Georgia. That was crazy rain. I'll kind of put a little clip in of last night's storm. It stormed here for 3 days, or 2.5 days anyway, and yeah, it was just relentless. But here's a little clip of that. So yeah, I'm back in the garden, back at it. I just came back from a trip from Home Depot and Walmart. Picked up some stuff. Okay. And got some stuff over there too. See, I just took the tarps off because I have to cover my babies because they're not old enough to be out in all of that rain yet. So, at least some of them anyway. So the tarps are just over there drying. I'll fold those up and put them away a little bit later. But I have some work to do out here in the garden. We have several folks that need new homes. So that was the purpose of my trip, to go and get some more soil and some mulch so I can start mulching some of these babies because they are old enough to be mulched. So I'm going to do that to protect them. And I went ahead and staked, well, not staked, but put some supports in for the dynamic duo. Can you see them there? So their covers have been taken off, and they are now on supports because those tomato cages were actually supporting them, and I didn't realize that until I took them off, and then they started leaning. But they were outgrowing those tomato cages anyway, so I had to take them off. I want to be able to, I wish I could still cover them. I don't know if I can still cover them with that tool, but I'm probably just going to leave them naked for now. They're naked. So yeah, we are going to go ahead and let me show y'all what I'm going to be replanting today, or attempting to replant, because I still have to mix up soil and stuff. So yeah, and it's kind of late. I mean, it's late in the day. I haven't done much, but I'm tired. I'm going to do what I can. So anyway, let me show y'all what's going on. We have this bucket. This is kind of where I left off. I ran out of soil in this one, so this needs a little bit more soil in here. And then we have several buckets here that are ready to go, have holes in the bottom for drainage and everything, ready to go. These babies were just under here for protection. I didn't want them to get waterlogged, so they were kind of sleeping under there. Here are some more buckets. I hope that I have enough buckets, y'all. And I hope that I have enough potting mix now, because if I don't, my husband is going to kill me. He told me to get everything that I needed, and I thought that this was going to be enough. I'm hoping that this is enough. It's going to have to be enough. But for now, anyway. So, yeah. So this is what we want to get planted today. We want to get these cantaloupes done. The cucumber, the zucchini, yeah, he's really flourishing over here. I have to get him out ASAP. We have some more cucumber back here. I don't know how many of those I'm gonna take. This is cantaloupe. I need to get them going. Or yeah, that's cucumber back there. We've got eggplant that finally sprouted, and a lot of them have sprouted. Like all of the ones that were in here have sprouted. I planted 4 in there. They've all sprouted. And I don't know how many. I think supposed to have been 4, but an extra one got in there. So all of my eggplant sprouted, and my tomatoes have sprouted. So I definitely have to get tomatoes in and some eggplant in. Yeah. So then we come over here, and we have some cucumbers over here. This was my original batch of cucumbers that the first seeds that I have planted. So I definitely want to get them, or at least some of them, into some containers here. Collards, I don't know. I think if I have space, I'll maybe move those into their own thing. But I do have another one of these totes, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough soil to fill the totes and these buckets. So I may have to hold off on that. But we're gonna see how far we can get. I mean, there's always tomorrow. I know this is not a rush. There's always tomorrow that I can kind of continue with stuff. Oh yeah, we've got to move the corn. And corn, I don't know, it's starting to turn yellow, but I think those are the first leaves though, so I'm not too worried about that. I probably have to just pull those off when I go ahead and plant it. But yeah, so I need to separate that corn too. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. So let me go ahead and get started. Yeah. So let me go ahead and get started before I get too lazy out here. All right, you guys, the sun is beating me. So I'm gonna have to stop for the day. I just finished kind of cleaning up my little area. I had a whole mess going on out here. But let me show y'all what I have done. I have transplanted a few of the babies. Didn't go as I expected it would. I decided to wait on a couple of folks. But I did. Let me go ahead and turn y'all around. I did go ahead and transplant the cucumbers. These are the straight 8s. Yeah, these are both straight 8s. That's the Ford Hook zucchini. There are the 3 corn. The corn was really rooted in that little pot, so it was definitely time for them to come out. That's a cantaloupe there. We have a couple of cantaloupes and quite a few cucumbers. This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. These are all cucumbers. We have 1 straight 8 in the middle and 2 regulars on the side, and then we have another cantaloupe here. So I have 1 bucket left that's ready to go, ready for something to be transplanted in there. I did go ahead and transplant the catgrass, so those 2 are now combined into the 1. I planted some of these nasturtium. I don't know how to say that, but anyway, that's supposed to be a beneficial flower in the garden, so I planted that. Hopefully those will sprout soon. And that is it, y'all. It took me quite a while because I had to mix up soil, mix it up to my liking, add stuff in. I bought some plant food, some all-purpose plant food. I did not get to mulch today, so I guess tomorrow will be mulch day. And that's all I have going on. That is really it. These are the ones that did not make it. I had no room for them. And their roots, oh my gosh, look at these roots. I hate to discard them, but I have no room. And I already have so many. I didn't know. But you live and learn, right? So next time when I plant, I just won't plant so many. Maybe I'll just plant 4, because I don't know what this is all going to yield just yet. And I have a watermelon patch right there, and then I have another watermelon here. So I don't know what all of this stuff is going to yield for us come time to harvest, but this is a lot of stuff, and I didn't really realize what I was getting myself into with all of these seeds and stuff like that. I mean, it's very, very addictive. Just buying the seeds is very addictive and putting them in the dirt, but dirt is expensive. Well, soil is expensive. I did wind up using all 3 of those bags. I don't know if y'all saw, but I had the huge Miracle Grow bags, and I had 3 of them and I used them all. This is all that's left in this pink bucket right here. And like I said, this one is ready to go. This blue one is ready to go. And that is like seed starting mix. So I don't think I'll be starting anything else. So I might have to just get a container for that to just like store it. But yeah, obviously I'm gonna need some more soil to transplant anybody else that comes along. Look, y'all, I have more cantaloupe that is sprouting, like 3 more cantaloupe. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna keep all of those or what, but yeah, next time I know not to plant so many. Like I said from the beginning, though, I never thought that I even had a green thumb, that I could grow anything, but obviously that's not the case. So I know what to do, what to do next time. So all right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next update / vlog. I'm gonna go in now. I gotta make dinner. Probably just gonna make some hamburgers because it's late. It's about 8 o'clock now. And everybody's been watered in. My garden is growing. It's growing. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll update y'all soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.